Lissy, and my mind's still in kindergarten, and I love being silly.
My name is Maddie, and I pushed Lissy, and I'm a dancing perfectionist.
My name's Kiera, and I have big hair.
I'm Olivia, and I have little hair.
My name is Lissy again. You should know our names by now. But anyway, I think it was December, I believe, I got married to Purple. Even though I think of purple as a girly color, guess he can be a little manly.
Oh, so was marrying Purple. I was choreographing shots, so...
While Alyssa was marrying Purple and Maddie was choreographing shots, I started going out with Blue.
Shh. And I'm a grammar Nazi who isn't engaged to any colors.
If you want to know more about me, then there's my channel, this link thing in the description where you can find the video shots that Maddie was talking about. By the way, it's purple down there for a reason.
Well, I'm a loser apparently because I like anime and because apparently I don't have a YouTube channel. Yeah, but I like Death Note and Wolf's Rain, but in Death Note I fell in love with L, and when he died I had like internal explosion.
Spoiler alert! While Maddie was exploding, my hair was not being flat. It was doing tricks.
And if you're wondering, these aren't just hipster glasses. I like seeing too.
And that's what makes us woodchippers.
Go Woodchippers!
Late reaction! Extremely late reaction.
Bye.
Now I'm gonna stop the video!